Hey guys, I'm gonna be creek fishing in my grandma's neighborhood part 2. This is my first spot I'm gonna fish in. Let me see if I can catch something. Let's see if I can catch something. Let me sneak up on them and see if I can see anything. Got one. No, he fell. No, he fell. I got a big one. Nice. It's pretty nice size for this creek. This one right there. Oh no. Oh no. Here he is. Get in there. Oh. I think I might have gave him a brain injury. Hopefully he'll be okay. This bread doesn't want to go on my hook at all. Well, guys, I caught that big one, but I think I'm going to change spots. I'm going to catch you at the next pond, at the next creek I'm at. Here's the second spot.